What follows after that is you calculating your cap rate. Now, based on this asking price and this net operating income, you can, assuming that you buy this property at that amount and this property generates that, you can calculate the actual cap rate. And what it basically tells you is what you will earn based on an all cash purchase of this property. And that cap rate would be calculated as your net operating income of 66,000 Rand divided by your purchase price of 500,000 Rand multiplied by 100, and that gives you 66,000 Rand minus 500,000 Rand divided by 500,000 Rand multiplied by 100. What do we have?
13.2.
So you've got 13.2% as your cap rate. This would be the actual, assuming that you buy this property at 500,000 Rand and it's got a net operating income of 66,000 Rand. But let's say as a person you had your desired cap rate. So in other words, you had a rate that you would deem as acceptable to you. So you said you want to earn 15% on this property. This is your desired or required cap rate. So unless you are able to achieve your desired 15%, you would not buy this property. The question becomes, if this is your desired cap rate and this property is generating 66,000 Rand in net operating income, what must you pay as a maximum for this property? Now, assuming that this property is a 2-bed, 1-bath in Arcadia, Pretoria. This is the example we are playing with. So here's a property, 2-bed, 1-bath. It's in Arcadia. And this property is generating 66,000 Rand in net operating income, and your desire is to achieve 15%. What must you pay? This is how you would do. And this would be called your offer amount. You would take your 66,000 Rand, which is the net operating income, and you would divide it by your desired 15%, and that would give you 440,000 Rand. What that tells you is that if this is the property generating this net operating income, you should not pay any more than 440,000 Rand, assuming you want to achieve a rate of 15%. This 440 would be your offer amount. What it also means is that this 440 is your valuation. This is what you are valuing a property with a net operating income at. That's what you are valuing. You are valuing this property at. This is very critical. What follows after this is step number 5. If you are buying this property through finance, the next step would be to factor in the bond repayments.